Staring at a blank About Me box for 45 minutes, rewriting the same two sentences over and over, finally giving up and writing something you hate? That's what this looks like without AI. With ChatGPT, you type a few facts about yourself, paste in one prompt, and have a polished bio, caption, or pitch ready in under a minute. Not a rough draft, something you'd actually use. Here's what most people get wrong when they try to write about themselves with ChatGPT. They type something like, write me a bio, and get back something generic and weirdly formal that sounds like a LinkedIn profile from 2011. The fix is context. ChatGPT isn't psychic, it writes better when you give it something to work with. Try this instead. Go to ChatGPT. Free version works totally fine, and paste this. Write a short, friendly bio for someone who your job or role, one thing you're proud of, and who you help or what you care about. Keep it under 100 words and make it sound like a real person, not a corporate press release. That last part matters more than you'd think. Telling it not to sound formal actually changes the output dramatically. Fill in those 3 brackets with your actual details. Doesn't need to be perfect, just honest, and hit send. What comes back will genuinely surprise you. Same idea works for way more than bios. Got a job interview coming up and you need a 30-second tell me about yourself? Paste that same structure in and add, make it conversational, like I'm saying it out loud. ChatGPT will write you a pitch that sounds like you rehearsed it 100 times. And if this is the kind of thing you want more of, Stack Future drops one of these every day. Need an Instagram caption for a photo from your small business? Ask it, write 3 caption options for a photo of describe the photo. My audiences describe them. Keep it short, warm, and end with a question. 3 options, different tones. Pick the one that fits. Okay, so the real trick here is asking for options. Don't ask ChatGPT for one thing. Ask for 3 versions. 1 formal, 1 casual, 1 funny. You're not going to use all of them, but seeing 3 different angles helps you figure out what actually sounds like you. That's the part people skip, and it's honestly where this gets useful. Here's where this goes from decent to actually good. After ChatGPT gives you a draft, don't just copy-paste it. Read it out loud. Weird, maybe. But you'll immediately hear what doesn't sound like you. Then ask it to adjust. Literally type, can you make this sound less formal? Or make it a little warmer, or I'd never say the word passionate. Rewrite without that. ChatGPT responds to feedback like a collaborator, not a vending machine. You're not locked into the first draft. 2 or 3 quick back and forths, and you'll have something that sounds like you wrote it on a really good day, which honestly is kind of the whole point. You don't need to be a writer. You don't need to be good at this. You just need to know what you want to say and let the tool help you say it well. If there's one thing to walk away with here, the prompt matters more than the tool. Give ChatGPT something real to work with, ask for options, then push back until it sounds like you. That's the whole system. 3 steps, under a minute, and you never have to stare at a blank bio box again. And speaking of writing things you'd actually post, tomorrow we're getting into something really specific. I used ChatGPT to write all my Instagram captions for a week. Here's what happened. You'll want to see how that turned out. If this video saved you even 10 minutes, tap the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this stuff.